so happy for you. This is our 6th class and we are conjugating verbs left and right. My name is Irina Movsisyan and I teach English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese, and I love inspiring people in learning any language in the world and speak somebody's soul. Today we're going to conjugate Spanish verbs part 2. We're going to be taking the second conjugation, the verbs that have the ending er. For example, comer, comer, ñam, 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 ñam. Comer, to eat. So when you conjugate any verb, you have to eliminate the ending and you need to find a stem. In our case, we found it. It's com. So yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, all of them will have this stem, but the ending will be different. And that's how we will understand if it's nosotros doing it or tú doing it, okay? So we are going to conjugate right now the verb comer, to eat. Como, como, I eat. Comes, comes, you eat. Come, come, she eats, he eats, o forma usted, you. Él come, ella come, usted come. We, nosotros, comemos, comemos. You see, you have here, so it's That's the second conjugation, Nosotros comemos, we eat. Vosotros coméis, you, plural form, eat. Vosotros coméis. And ellos, ellas, and la forma ustedes, plural form, you, comen. Also, I want to show you which syllable is stressed. Como, comes, come, comemos, coméis, comen. So it's a different syllable that is stressed in each of them. So you have to keep that in mind. Let's make sentences. We have 3 words here that I'm going to give it to you today. Pasta, it's pasta. Carne, meat. Pescado, pescado, that's fish. Pasta, carne, pescado. Pasta, carne, pescado. Como carne, como pescado, como pasta. Comes carne, comes pescado, comes pasta. Do you eat? She eats fish. Ella come pescado. We eat meat. Comemos carne. Do you eat pasta, you guys? Do you eat pasta? Coméis pasta. And they eat meat. Comen carne. What if they don't? I don't eat, you don't eat. We just use no in the beginning. No como pasta. No comes carne. No come pescado. No comemos pasta. No coméis carne. No comen pescado. So please write down these forms into your copybook. Look at the whiteboard. We are going to practice. I'm going to give you 4 different words so you can conjugate them in your copybook. So open your copybook and start conjugating. Beber, to drink. Creer, to think or believe. Deber, it's the verb must. And comprender is to understand. Okay? Okay, let's do it together. Beber. Bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebéis, beben. Creer. Creo, crees, cree, creemos, creéis, creen. Deber. Debo, debes, debe, debemos, debéis, deben. Comprender. Comprendo, comprendes, comprende, comprendemos, comprendéis, comprenden. So for you, it is just to conjugate the verbs. You know the endings. O, S, E, hemos, eis, en. Repeat one more time. O, S, E, hemos, eis, en. To remember it better, let's do it vice versa. En, eis, hemos, e, es, o. I'm going to give you a couple of more words. These are different liquids. As we took the verb beber, we can also make sentences. But first, let's get to know the words. Agua, agua, water. Okay? Agua, write it down. Vino, vino, that's wine. Zumo, 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 that's the juice. Té, té, that's tea. Café, café, that's coffee. Okay? Okay, let's say I drink water. Bebo agua. I don't drink wine. No bebo vino. She drinks juice. Ella bebe zumo. You don't drink juice. No bebes zumo. We drink tea. Bebemos té. We don't drink coffee. No bebemos café. They don't drink tea. No beben té. They drink coffee. Beben café. We don't drink wine. No bebemos vino. You don't drink juice. No bebes zumo. I don't drink water. No bebo agua. I don't drink tea. No bebo té. I don't drink coffee. No bebo café. I don't drink juice. No bebo zumo. All right, guys. So to finish this class, I want to say that we already took conjugation number 1. You need to watch the previous video. We just took conjugation number 2 in this video, and we are going to take conjugation number 3 in our next video. So we are going to review the material after that. After each class, we have to review what we have done, but in the video on YouTube, I don't have too much time to practice. So come to my classes and I'm going to practice every word with you so you can speak the language. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690, and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsisyan. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!